The City of Rio Rancho's motto is City of Vision, and a perfect example of this is A Park Above, which just celebrated its grand opening.
What is kind of unique about this park is that it was built to be all-inclusive. So it's a park that was designed to be accessible to people of all abilities and disabilities.
You see how packed this park is. This is not just today, this is every day. This park is loaded with kids out here enjoying themselves.
It's for family, it's the power of the family. Seeing the children, all the children running and playing, the parents are having just as much fun. So it's a park for every person, any ability, any age.
It's just a wonderful project that many places in the United States don't even have. Susana Martinez has herself given over $2 million. This park wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for her support.
A Park Above will continue to enhance the immediate Rio Rancho community, but also our state community in so many ways. It will be a destination that will bring families of all abilities together in a place where they can have fun and make memories and new friends.